If your kitchen is in need of a new cutting board, this one right here is a two-sided cutting board sent to me free of charge for this review. So it's going to be multifunctional. And the reason why they have made it double-sided is to try to avoid cross-contamination. So the first side I want to talk about is the titanium side. Now, I don't know if this is 100% pure titanium, but that is what is listed. So the reason why they say titanium cutting boards are a little bit better than your wooden cutting boards or plastic cutting boards is because this is non-porous and it's also not going to scratch as easy. So bacteria and mold and other liquids from your food are not going to seep into this side of the cutting board. So this side right here is going to be ideally for your raw meats and things like that. If we flip it over, we have a wheat straw side. For this, we do have a little groove here, and this is what is going to catch your juices. So the juice is not going to be going over and making a mess on your countertop. On this side as well, we have a little grater. So if your recipe calls for grated ginger, maybe grated garlic, you're going to be able to use this little built-in grater, which is very convenient as well. When you're done using it, it does say that it is dishwasher safe. However, it does also say not to soak it for an extended amount of time. So if it were me, I personally would just wash it with some hot soapy water, dry it off, put it away. It's going to be ready to go for next time. So double-sided multifunctional cutting board is going to be perfect for cutting your meat on the titanium side and your fruits, vegetables, herbs, and other spices on the other side. So if your kitchen needs a new cutting board, this one right here is one worth looking into.